clock can't spin, but time bends in this world of ours. Some days stretch like rubber bands, others fly like shooting stars. Elastic hours, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. My moment's forever, the next just a blink, and this the last.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Lalita Palace. It's around 102 years old and now functions as a heritage hotel where you can actually stay and experience those rural vibes. Okay, I'm not gonna get into all the history right now, so yeah. Anyway, since it was my last weekend in Bangalore, we didn't want to go too far, so we took a short little trip to Mysore for a calm, cozy escape. And just a tiny heads up, I had a bit of a cold during this trip, so my voice might sound a little stuffy and my energy is not the usual. It's definitely a slower vlog, well, boring I would say, but yeah, I really wanted to share this memory with you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hello. I'm here at Mysore and we're staying at some palace hotel. I don't remember the name. So yeah, and I just took shower. I'm gonna have some food, lunch. That's what you will just get ready, go out and take some cute pictures, of course. Do my makeup. It's April 5th, so 3 days until I leave Bangalore. Yeah, I'm leaving Bangalore for good. So my job pani chhodisake. I've already resigned. म जहाँ बसिरहेको त्यो फ्ल्याट, if you have been following me, म चाहिँ एक्लै बस्थेँ 1 BHK फ्ल्याटमा. सो त्यो चाहिँ मैले लास्ट टाइम डिसेम्बरमै मैले छोडिसकेँ. अहिले चाहिँ म जस्ट टेम्पररी साथीहरूकोमै बसिरहेको छु. So I'm literally living out of suitcase यो month. सामान यति धेरै छ. I have like 3 big suitcases अनि 2टा सानो suitcase. That's okay, you can come. I like it. Of course, it's not mine because I don't have such earrings and I never wear such earrings. It's even a Satiko. It's me because I think it goes pretty well with what I will be wearing for today. Kind of traditional, so yeah, I guess I'll go with this. For lipstick. With my makeup, I just have to go get my hair done. I look sick. I feel sick.
You are sick. You don't are sick. You are sick. You don't
Sorry, but I'm not gonna stop vlogging. See, I'm very, very committed towards my work.
That's the spirit.
Yeah, and my God, रुगाले यस्तो म के भन्छ त्यसलाई रुगा लागेर म यस्तो मर लागिसक्यो टाउको दुखिरहेछ अब औषधि खाएर अनि म सुत्छु like I don't know I think that things will turn out this way but whatever anyway आजको दिन पनि सक्यो I just hope and pray that I don't fall on the day on the day my flight what am I saying मलाई बिरामी हुनु मन छैन बिरामी भएर घर जानु मन छैन त्यही हो Good night good night good night
Good night. Good night, everybody. Please,
good night good night ooh pretty beautiful girls nakal na parang New York patoma I got ready for breakfast. I hate wearing these glasses. Let's see all the cheap voice of you. Just a little cheap, but still it's there. Hey everyone, I'm so sorry. Audio quality sucks because there's a lot of background noise and I don't have a mic. Scary, I'm not going out. Would you like to come back here again?
Definitely, but only with session.
Okay.
Sling bag. Wow.
So cute. Thank you so much, Vimal. This is so sweet of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you a lot. What? It's a shoe. Thank you so much. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, it's big. It's so cute. Thank you. Okay, one more gift.
Idhar.
Love it.
Hello. Whoever
She did it in the morning.
I love this.
Sorry. Sajna idhar illa
A
idhar.
lot of work by Zika. Hi everyone. Finally I'm home. Bala bala mo घर अहिले बजिरहेछ रातिको 1:30 AM. My flight got delayed for 3 hours. And yeah, यति राति घर आइपुगे. Anyways, so मेरो साथीले चाहिँ मलाई अघि एयरपोर्टमा गिफ्ट दिएको थियो, which I was not able to unbox. So finally I'm gonna unbox it. अनि मलाई चाहिँ यो it's such a cute packaging. Thank you so much, Swati. Yo अनि yo, like these 3 things. Let's unbox it. Cute. I'm gonna try this on. कस्तो राम्रो हेर्नु न यो इयरिङ बोरा आर्ट भएको
That video man on the
है अब अर्को हेरौँ है के छ यो बक्स भित्र त्यसको वाउ दिस इज सो क्यूट हामी यो पहिलाको I never thought that you could think something like this. This is just out of my imagination. Seriously, I could never ever come up with such creative idea. Thank you so much, Swati. I love you.